The 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, third row seat, traction control, power steering, cruise control, clock, power door locks, trip computer, child safety locks, power windows. Come take a test drive today.